How to hard reset Infinix Zero Flip 5G. Step 1. To start, power off your smartphone by holding the power button for a few seconds. Step 2. Next, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds. Step 3. Release the power button once the Infinix logo shows up.